Bit of a shame you can't see much, but as I say, that's the downside of well, for a start, coming to places when they're closed, but needs must if you're doing quite a few of these locations. Your clue for the next one, fourth one of today, memorial to RAF Anstey Relief Landing Ground. It's going to be in Warwickshire, and we're heading to Southam. Well, according to the map, it's about half an hour away and 12 miles. Now, back down the road, turn right, and for now, keep going till we get to the Leamington Road, the A445. Well, folks, we are, I don't know, about 3 miles from Southam. It's been okay for the time of day. It's 20 past 5 now. We're, I don't know, a couple of miles up the road is Cubbington, maybe a bit more than that. One of the roads I wanted to go through Cubbington I don't think exists anymore. I certainly didn't see anything to turn left before the middle of Cubbington, and possibly the reason is all that you can see over there. There's a low bore over there. It's to do with HS2. The airfield was in use from 1940 until 1944. It was mainly used by the 9th Elementary Flying Training School using Tiger Moths. The main base was at RAF Anstey, approximately 15 miles north of here. And amongst other incidents, on the 15th of July 1943, a Vickers Wellington bomber crash landed here with a failed engine. That's it for today, folks. Next outing, there won't be any motorways, and once we're out of the West Midlands, it should all be countryside. See you next time.